BLU Vivo 5 Mini, and let me show you how to reset DRM license on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's use apps icon. Here you need to scroll down to choose settings. From the following list, you need to find and select backup and reset. Right here, let's choose the DRM reset, and this will delete all DRM license. If you are aware of this, tap DRM reset again. So this operation will delete all the license on this device. If you would like to continue, let's tap OK. And that's it, license have been deleted successfully, so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.